这里是2019年国际餐饮设备展销会，美国奥兰多会场。Let's go。
Hi, today we have 4 different pizza prep tables, 27-inch, 48-inch, 44-inch, and 67-inch models. All of these body, the frame is 304 stainless steel. It opens easily, and once the door angle is less than 90 degrees, it closes automatically.
The inside racks are stainless steel with a plastic coating on top, but we can also manufacture stainless steel only racks as well, just like this one.
Also has a removable board, and the top opens easily as well. This model has 12 bain-marie pans, but the bain-marie pans can also be changed depending on the customer needs. All of these models have Embreco compressor made in Brazil, and it comes with a 3-year warranty and a 5-year compressor warranty. These models also feature R290 refrigerant as well. Here we have our Ameristar reach-in refrigerators with glass doors. This one is a 1-door model, and this one next to it is a 2-door model. Both of these models have a 304 stainless steel body frame with aluminum door, and these 2 models specifically has a double layer glass inside to keep the temperature low at all times. And the glass door can also be made as 3 layers. It features Embreco compressor inside on the bottom, which is a Brazilian company, and it has a 3-year warranty and a 5-year compressor warranty. If you look at the top here, it features Italian Dixel company's temperature control. Very sturdy and nice, as you can see here. And let's look at the inside. All of these racks are stainless steel with a plastic layer on the top. And this layer can also be adjusted as only stainless steel model as well. And all of these fridges also features R290 refrigerant, which is environmentally friendly. Here we have Ameristar's 2-door and 1-door reach-in refrigerators. These models feature 304 stainless steel. Very nice structure. And this body can also be replaced as 201 stainless steel as well. It features Italian Dixel control on the top, and on the bottom we have Brazilian company Embreco's compressor as well. It comes with a 3-year warranty and a 5-year compressor warranty. If you look at the inside, these racks are stainless steel with a plastic cover on the top, which can also be replaced as only stainless steel as well. This is Ameristar's newest product. The bottom has a prep table, sandwich or pizza prep table, with a cabinet combination. So you can easily prep something here and then grab something or your materials over here as well. It features 304 stainless steel body and frame, which can also be replaced as 201 stainless steel. These doors are very sturdy, and if the angle is less than 90 degrees, it closes automatically. It features an Italian company, Dixel control on the top. And inside, we have Brazilian company Embreco's compressor, which comes with a 3-year warranty for the entire product and 5-year compressor warranty. Inside, the racks are stainless steel with the plastic cover on the top, which can also be replaced as normal stainless steel. Here we have our Ameristar's multi-purpose mixers. You can mix anything in them. We have a 10-quart model, a 20-quart model, and a 3-quart model. The body is all stainless steel, and it uses 220 volts as power. Here we have our Ameristar stove mixers, 15 kilogram capacity, 25 kilogram capacity, and lastly, this one is 50 kilogram capacity. It uses all stainless steel body, and the top cover is hard plastic.